So it's been a year since you've built your wooden masterpiece that you finished with Rubio Monocoat, and you just started to notice that it's lost its original sheen and looking a little bit dull. And you're not completely sure how to fix it. Well, you're in luck, because today I'm going to show you how to easily revive it to its former glory using Rubio Monocoat's maintenance oil. I've built this dresser just over 1 year ago, and it's seen everything from water, coffee, milk, surgical spirits, and even some. And I must say, it held up remarkably well for just one coat of Rubio. Now it just started to lose that rich sheen and that velvety touch, so it's definitely time for a coat of maintenance oil. So what you will need for this process is Rubio's surface care cleaner, a white applicator pad, some clean rags, gloves, and then finally Rubio's universal maintenance oil. Now preferably get the same color maintenance oil as your original application. Now in my case I used the natural color Rubio in my original application, and today I'm going to use the pure maintenance oil. Now the only reason for this is because Rubio doesn't make a natural color maintenance oil. But don't worry, it doesn't make that big of a difference, especially in the lighter colors. First up is to sweep or vacuum the surface to remove any dirt or dust. Then spray the surface with the surface care cleaner and wipe it with a damp cloth. Just make sure the cloth is not dripping wet, and then allow the surface to dry for approximately 15 minutes. Thoroughly shake the maintenance oil, then apply a small amount of oil to the surface and spread it out using the white applicator pad. Make sure to work in sections that you're able to finish within 15 minutes. Otherwise, you might end up with a tacky surface. Allow the oil to absorb for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then wipe away the excess oil with a clean rag. Repeat this step until all of the excess oil is removed, and make sure not to let the oil sit for longer than 15 minutes. Now let it dry for about 6 to 8 hours, and just take note that it will only be fully cured after 48 hours. Also take care to dispose of your oiled rags correctly, because it's got a potential to spontaneously combust. Spread them out flat in a safe area until they are completely dry, then dispose of them in an outside garbage can. And just like that, you're done. A quick and easy way to revive and maintain your Rubio finishes. Now I must add that this method will only work if your original color is still intact. If it's not, it's better to resand the entire surface and reapply your original Rubio finish. Now I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Until next time, thank you for watching.